we have our first 2-speaker audio package installed by Davidson Audio giveaway winner here to redeem his free audio package on this beautiful 2023 Indian Pursuit. This customer, Mr. Hardy, he won our 2-speaker giveaway for the Indians. We have scheduled the Harley for next month. They both redeemed their giveaways. So real quick, this bike right here came down to us. We're doing the complete single amp 2-speaker package for free. He provided the OEM lids, the Davidson Audio 6.5-inch lowers. So we are adding the 6.5s for the lowers and the lids to it, but the whole basis, everything else is included in the 2-speaker giveaway. So let's show you the bike, get it in there, show you along the process, and let you know, see how it sounds and what the customer's thoughts are. Let's talk about this beautiful Pursuit. Let's start at the front, all right? That fat front tire from Vic Baggers right there. I don't know, man. More and more people are getting me thinking about doing a fat tire on one of my bikes. I think they look super nice, but it's just hard for me not to want to lift one of these bikes. So I just don't think a lifted Challenger or Pursuit with a fat tire would be right or look right. But I mean, hey, if anybody's got one, drop a comment. Let's see it, because I'm curious. But anyways, Indian Pursuit. This bike has a fat tire front on it, has a stage 2 intake, Clockworks flare here, 210 Speed Labs bolts here, Clockworks windshield. I do believe these might be Memphis Shades hand grips. He's got some, or hand guards. He's got some grips, Arlen Ness mirrors, I think Arlen Ness floorboards. He's got a couple of cool aftermarkets, Reinhardt slip-ons, but let's talk about audio here, okay? So this customer's opting for, or he won the free 2-speaker giveaway. So we're gonna put an Arc Audio PSM Pro here, 800.4 Evo PS from Sound Digital amplifier here, all Davidson Audio mounts, wiring, the whole shebang. Up here, we're gonna do our tried and true Cicada Audio CH 6.5s. In the lowers, we're gonna be doing the Davidson Audio 6.5-inch lowers with the matching Cicada Audio CH 6.5s here with their billet grills. Customer provided paint match 6.5-inch lids, so we're gonna drop the Cicada Audio CXX 6.5s here. He's got the bezels and everything. All Davidson Audio wiring. It's already gonna be wired for the tour pack, so if he ever decides to add that later, he can. Just simply needs to buy the speakers. He's got the harness and everything, and it goes in there. So again, the customer won the complete 2-speaker. The only thing he's paying for is the 6.5-inch speakers here with the grills and these speakers. That's it. Everything else, all the install labor is covered on us for this 2-speaker giveaway. So let's get it in the bay, get it torn apart, and get this install going. This giveaway bike is fast underway, y'all. So let's everybody wants stuff of the bike in progress. So here is our Davidson Audio shroud. This is not how it sits. It's just, I like to pull it up to get it out of my way. So that is what we use to keep all the water off of here, because as you know, the windshield's here. This is what I call the water trough here. And it comes down in here and sheds all the water down your nice fairing. So we developed this to keep all the water off of our audio equipment on this build. Our DSP is going right there. Our 4-channel amplifiers are going right here. So this is the first part of our weather protection that we do on these bikes. This has a lot of contact points. You don't have to worry about it moving. It's got these two. It's got the 3 from the motor. It's got the one up here. It's got this one here, here, plus these 2. It's secured in there. You don't have to worry about it. So we're fast on this one. We already have the fairing speakers installed on this bike. Here's our wiring. Red, black is right. And we also have that colored shrink tube. The lowers are going on. That harness is already in here. Where did I push it? And this bike's gonna probably make a liar of me. Here's the left lower. That's white right there. Here, fairing. That's white as well. Get your rears, green and violet, power ground for single amp put in there. We're now crimping these. We got the wire ferrule crimp for those. Then down the backbone, you can see here's our one lower that's just gonna sit just like this. I guess this one, oh yeah, I took it off. That's why it's not there. Speaker wire for the rear, all the way down, zip tied up. This is secured nicely to the reservoir line. Quick disconnect right here. Routed over here, tucked down, same thing here. Speakers in these TCMT lids that the customer had painted right in there. Tessa taped up speaker wiring following the OEM trough out it. So we've got a few things left to button up on this. We'll show you all that once the fairing's all buttoned up and the tank and the seat are on. Got to add those beautiful ride culture lights, which are right here. Bam, M1 Bryant lights. So let's keep on getting this bike done for you. Everybody keeps on wanting to see more and more of these installs, so that's what we're going to do for y'all. So this one is all buttoned up. I just finished it. All I have to do is put the fairing, tank, and seat on and take it outside, let y'all listen to it. So before we do, let's show you everything under the fairing. So this one, again, is a single amp. So right here underneath this is our DSP, nice tucked neatly. These harnesses are zip tied up here. This one I don't like to go too crazy with because I want it to have a little bit of play in it. All of our wiring secured nice and tight up here, giving you nice access in there. RCAs are all the way back there. Our amplifier landed beautifully with all 8 speaker locations landed, even though the customer doesn't have his tour pack on the bike. It's already wired for it. That's what the other side of our harness is for. Everything's landed in here nice and neat. As you can see, power ground is ran here, tucked up along the harness. Lower fairing, he added the fang lights. Same thing over there. Then everything goes down the backbone, nice and tight here. And then it branches off. We've got the clutch side saddlebag here. The saddlebag light meets right here. We had to utilize both Y splitters because we couldn't use the Y splitters from here because one, the bag lights wouldn't reach all the way up in here. Plus, you want to keep your connectors for your bag lights right here because it sucks to take your seat off. And please do not route your bag lights through here. That is not the correct way to do it. Go down through here. It's more than long enough. Your connectors should be with the OEM harness and our harness. As you can see, we have both splitters here. These are for the fang lights. They're secured nice and tight over here. That's securing the other light in our wiring. Our wiring is back here. Nice and neat. Quick disconnects. Again, OEM trough through here. The tether's not on because I'm going to panel bond a USB or the power port right there because those are TCMT lids. Bag lights looking oh so nice from Ride Culture. Same thing, you can see the wiring nice and neat in there. Davidson audio lowers. The customer had gotten these a while ago and painted them matte instead of gloss. So we've got the Cicada Audio CHs in the fairing, CHs in the lower with Cicada grills. Those are the V2s. What makes it a V2 is you can unscrew this cap and you could paint it if you wanted it to. And then the lids with the tried and true Cicada Audio CXX. These are pro coaxial speakers. Sounds phenomenal. It's gonna be a killer setup. So let's get this bike outside, all done up, let y'all listen to it and see what the customer thinks. This 23 Indian Challenger is complete. As I've already told you many, many times, this was our 2-speaker giveaway winner. So we went ahead and installed everything in the fairing for his 2-speaker, and holy cow, this building's bright. Sorry, I keep on forgetting my sunglasses. Okay, I thought there was 2s. Nope, we only got 1. Anyways, we're just gonna leave that in there. Sorry, y'all. This bike's all done. We did everything in the fairing, so it's a single 800.4. It's the ARC Audio PSM Pro in the fairing to power the fairing, lowers, and 6.5-inch lids. Some people may be like, oh, is that enough to do? Yes, it's more than enough. These speakers are super, super efficient. This bike is super loud now. Sounds amazing. So let's show you what the bike looks like now, and let's just listen to it because the customer's gonna be coming in a few days to pick it up. And we'll get his reaction. All right, so this bike, again, we've tried to show you a lot of content on this, the before, the during, and the after. So I've already broken this down for y'all, but we'll do it one more time. 800.4 tucked up in there with the Davidson audio amp plate. ARC Audio PSM Pro here. That is how we integrate into the OEM ride command. Then we have our fairing shroud, all Davidson audio wiring and mount. So from there, we feed this amplifier output to our Cicada Audio CHs up in the fairings. He already had the Davidson Audio 6.5-inch lowers. He painted them matte black with Cicada Audio compression horn 6.5s there with the billet grills. He provided the TCMT lids here, had them painted to match. We put the Cicada Audio CXX 6.5s there. And then one thing I didn't realize, but they do not put a power port bracket in there, so we panel bonded our 3D printed one in there, so he retained that. And then he had the Ride Culture lights that we put on. And then he also asked us to do the Cairo Fang lights up in the front. So we did that. Looks amazing, sounds even better, so let's let y'all listen to it now.
Make the rain come through. I was broken gracefully until he elevated me. Took the wheel from A to Z. He doing things I can't believe. Y'all put me on, don't hate on me.
Last thing that you want to hear is some horses pulling up to the back gate.
Will the Lord forgive me if I killed a billy? Would it be a sin if I had did it for the Trinity? Jesus said that we should have affection for our enemies. Then he flipped the tables. Think I'm picking up the rest again. I just drop high clothes on. I hate a hat. Where you find us, headed in the middle of the city like a rhino. Rare life looking like gold, we're Leviathan. Molted fish, didn't even Poseidon. I don't pop a pill, I need a verse, not a Vicodin. Feeling like Daniel Cormier in a lion's den. Had the dog out Simba, cut the backwoods like they called out timber. Had a hater tell me that the tribe's not the best, and that's feeling like a stretch, and you not that limbo. Everything I love, that's
Make sure you stop by Journalist Motorsports, your authorized Bad Boys dealer if you need a mower too. All right, this bike is all wrapped up and done. I absolutely love doing these giveaways and love our systems. We have a very well-balanced system. They sound amazing. Way, way, way big of an upgrade. So let's see what the customer thinks. Customer is here picking up his beautiful Indian Pursuit here that we just wrapped up. You've been seeing us drop a lot of footage on this. He is the one that won our 2-speaker giveaway. So he already had the lower enclosures. So we had the speakers there. He had the lids. We had the speakers there. So all he paid for was just some extra speakers, but we did all the install work for free. We just want to get his perspective on what he thinks of this system. And then we're going to go help him load it up, and he's going to get on his way back to North Carolina.
Yep. Yeah, it looks great. Sounds great. Played about everything we could play on it, and it sounds wonderful. Great job as always. Looks good and sounds great. That's all you want.
Awesome. I appreciate it very much. Thank you for entrusting us with it. You came down on vacation and left us with the bike for just shy of a week.
Yep.
So we took care of it, got her all buttoned up, and even took care of that power port because they didn't want to put one in there. So if you're looking for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian, we got a couple of them here. We even have a couple of Harleys in here. Make sure you check us out. We're not shy of any of the outside projects as well. So give us a call. We're located here in beautiful Panama City, Florida. Love to help you all. God bless all of you. Have a great day.
Thank you.